This is NT5932. Let's pull that up. Here we go. Here we go. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will pick up the Angels. The Angels won't be on the list because they can't win themselves. Here we go. Good luck, all. Angels not in the list, can't win themselves 5 times. Here we go. Moving them 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is Phillies. That's 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Here we go. Who's got the Phillies in this one? Yeah, I don't think 1,500 is a bad price, to be honest. And Phillies are with Dominic Conti. Congratulations. If I had $1,500 at the time, I would have done it. But I did buy the Buddy Goldcraft card. Let me offer you some free advice. Talk less. Smile more. To let them know what you're against or what you're for. If you want to in your head, fools who run their mouths soft wind up dead. Yo, yo, yo. Alrighty. Geez, there's definitely one printing plate. There's 2 printing plates. Okay. $2.99. It is Joe Adell Colossal for the Angels. And up next, 101 printing plate patch of Yon Moncada. Yon Moncada printing plate patch. Okay, that is even too thick for that one. We upgrade to our thicker boys. These red coats, they don't want it with me because I'm a 7-pack Game Gear for Boston of Xander Bogaerts. Oui, mon ami, je m'appelle Lafayette. Edward Olivares to 99 for Kansas City. Numbered 64/99. To 49, dual signatures of Ozzie Guillen and Tim Anderson, both for Chicago. Nice. Dual auto there, both for the White Sox. Up next, Jorge Mateo to 99 for San Diego Padres shortstop. That is 75/99. National Treasures RPA. Next card is cool. Nolan Ryan, Dwight Gooden, and Noah Syndergaard, 1/1 printing plate auto. That is a big boy right there. That is so nice. Ryan Gooden Syndergaard. That for what it's worth, that is very bent, but I tell you what, it doesn't take away from the card very much at all. New York Mets. Congratulations. That is huge. Who has the Mets? Back of my head hurts. Mets. David Fox, congratulations. Been a good little run for David there. I'm going to put that on now so he can come pick it up tomorrow if he would like. Congrats, David. And then Legendary Silhouette, 2 of 10. This is going to need to be discussed. Mookie Betts for the Dodgers and Mike Trout for the Angels. That is beautiful. 2 of 10. Congratulations, both teams. Y'all will be in discussion very soon, I would think. Angels are with Dominic Conti and the Dodgers are with Sean Brooks. So both of you will look out for my messages. And that is NT5932 done.